I'm here with Babik. I'm not even going to attempt it. What's your last name?
Amuzgar.
Amuzgar. Oh,
Yes.
that wasn't so bad. At AGFA. And there's this really cool thing hanging on the wall that I thought was a lenticular, but it's not. So I'm going to zoom over there and just show the people, and you just kind of talk really loud and tell everybody what it is.
Okay. So what you're looking at is the 3D moire effect. Different from the lenticular, you have spherical lenses, where in lenticular you would have cylindrical lenses. What happens basically is just a pattern. It's printed very small, almost the same size as the lenses themselves. And through the effect of moire, you're actually getting this bigger effect, and you're getting some depth depending on how you're putting it, on positioning it. So the image in the background, we have two layers in some of these samples, where you have a projection, and then you have one where it's like a more depth, and you can actually play around with different settings to create different effects. The materials, as you can see, there's some that are thicker, there's some that are thinner. It's just for the viewing distance and how far you can see the effect. We have some samples here as well, and you can.
This is incredible. So it's not a lenticular, which is the weirdest thing. So this is printed on top of this. I'm really confused.
So
about this.
what we do is we actually print the image on the back, and then we flip it over, and we print the lens
on top of it.
On top of the media. So yeah, so the image just kind of comes out here. It looks like it's coming in. It's on the foreground, but it's not really.
It's not on the foreground.
Yeah, it's not.
Okay. That is really freaky, and anybody who ever sees AGFA at a show needs to come see this, because I cannot believe that is printed on the back. That is incredible.
Yeah.
So what do people, or what do you hope that people do with this? Because I'm assuming it's pretty new. I've never seen it before.
So what I want is more on the advertising, more maybe signs as well. Just so your subway sign or something. Just something that when you're moving something right by it, it really attracts.
Right.
So we have, like, I've done some where it's a Heineken, and you can actually move it around, and you can get a good effect. So that's something Heineken could do, or Coca-Cola could do.
And that's actually a great point, because believe it or not, a while ago, we were trying to do a lenticular billboard. Everyone can laugh now, because you can never predict what the person's going to look like. So the advertiser was like, no, someone could always have like their face looking funny. But this is actually a way you could solve that. Maybe not a billboard, but certainly a pretty big sign.
It's definitely an attraction point. So that's what we're trying to do, and that's what we're trying to sell. So we're going to teach the customers that this is what they can do, and hopefully they can take that to their customers.
Right.
And we can get some good results with our varnish printing.
All right, so designers and advertising people, you need to get in touch with AGFA. And what is this substrate? What is this process called?
This is the, we call it the 3D lens technology.
3D lens technology,
okay. And it could be on any clear substrate, as long as you're within the thicknesses that we have set.
Right.
The reason for that is the lenses will change depending on the material. So as far as we have a 3mm, 5mm, and 9mm lenses, and this one is just acrylic.
It's very cool. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And the website is AGFA.
AGFA.com. AGFA Graphics.
AGFAgraphics.com. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your time. You were awesome.
Thank you.